How to remove notifications on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you need to scroll down to the Basics section, and from there click on Notifications. Now for most of you won't land on this page, as this is the notification section related to my phone. Most of you will land on the in-app notification settings, which is this one right here. And from this page right here, you can simply turn off the notification toggle at the top right, and the notifications will be turned off. However, I don't like to use this page as it doesn't have as much details. I really prefer the previous page, and I will show you right now how you can access it on any phone you have. You just open up your settings and then you scroll down to apps. Then you go to Chrome. You can search for it to access it quicker. Chrome. And from the privacy section, click on notifications. And here you will land on the same page that I showed you previously. So what I like about this page, it has a lot of details. You can turn off the notifications entirely. So notifications from the Google Chrome app will be blocked. Or you can turn off notifications by section. As you can see, firstly we have the general section, which you can turn off all notification of the general section at once, or you can turn off some of them. Say for example you want to turn off the notifications for the completed downloads, and you want to turn off the notifications for the incognito mode, and you can turn off the notifications for the apps. The second section is the websites section, from which you can turn off the notifications of all the websites at once, so you won't get any notifications from any website. Or you can turn off the notifications for some websites and leave some others, just like I'm doing right here. So for example, if you are following any news or stuff like that, this can be very useful. So yeah, just let me turn off the notifications entirely for the Google Chrome app, because that's what the video is about. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable Google Chrome's notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.